welcome to the Hanover Autry penthouse with the 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. We're gonna start off with the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen with the gas stove and gas range. And of course over here we have the wide chiller. Great size wide chiller. Stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops. And this double door refrigerator with the deep side freezer.
What I really like about this is where you have the gas range is this drawer right here,
and
where you can put all your pots and pans.
Yes.
I mean, look how big that drawer is. And then down below it as well.
So many stores, so many, yes. See the same, they kind of...
Same, you can't even tell.
Camouflage this.
Not at all. You have so much storage with all this cabinetry.
And
unbelievable.
Don't mention the soft close that they have.
Yes. Absolutely.
Wow, look at this.
And I love the marble backsplash. You have a good wine bar right there. So you can put all your beverages there.
Right.
And then look at these views, guys. This
is a great view.
Now this is floor to ceiling from wall to wall. Look how big this is, guys.
And look how high the ceiling is.
And these are 20-foot ceiling.
Oh, and here, of course, is the office.
Now this is the real deal office, guys. I mean, you not only have all the storage space, right?
And then we go into the first guest bedroom, or...
I mean, you literally have a 360-degree panoramic view.
Look at this view.
Because it just keeps going.
Show them the...
There's the bayou.
Yes.
There's the high school. There's the park. I mean, right off of Allen Parkway. Unbelievable views.
A lot of walkers and joggers down there right now.
Absolutely.
Great size.
Beautiful, great size guest bedroom.
Yes.
No doubt about it. Very sleek countertops, very clean.
He's a large size bathtub. The walk-in closet.
Very nice.
And this is the first guest bedroom. Okay, we're exiting. So this guest bedroom is actually on a separate wings.
Right, we have 2 wings to this penthouse.
So we're back into the kitchen, now we're going to the other wings.
Right, so this is the entryway right here that we first came through. So if you just take an immediate right, there's a really nice powder room, bathroom, full size.
Marble countertop.
Marble countertop. So it's nice because they didn't exactly duplicate everything. Look at that tile. It's just beautiful tile with some wallpaper. Yes. So they've done an amazing job here. So this is the laundry room. I mean, some apartments, this might be a closet, right? But this is huge.
Look how many storage spaces they have.
Is unbelievable. It has you can hang your clothes there too.
Wash and dryer.
Yes.
Then we go into the second bedroom.
Yes. So again, floor to ceiling windows. And they all have blackout shades. You don't have to worry about that either. If it gets a little bright, a little sunny, at the end of this video, because we have a surprise for you at the end of this video. This bedroom, again, has its own very luxurious bathroom.
So this is a quartz. And again, good size walk-in shower.
Yeah, so again, a smaller rainfall shower head, but still nice marble tile, backsplash, and then the closet. Great size again. Great size. I mean, you have your built-in shoe racks. Absolutely. This place is so huge.
I mean,
your navigational skills are a little bit challenged.
I'm a assuming this is the...
So this is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
This is where you would
The
put your
private
bed. I mean, it looks like a living room, guys. In a lot of apartments, this would be the living room.
Right, it's huge.
This is massive. This is just where the bedroom goes, where the bed goes, and of course your TV. But again, you wake up to those views.
Look at the ceiling that they made.
Yeah, they've thought of every detail.
Right.
And the detail we're about to show you next is not even the biggest surprise yet, but both men and women are going to love this.
So we are about to enter into the walk-in closet.
The master closet.
Yes.
This is the master of all master closets. Okay.
We have the full-length mirror starting.
Full-length mirror, yes.
And then his walk-in closet, which is really good size for him.
It is for a
guy,
man that's, no, it's really good size.
Yeah,
I mean, it goes really tall. These are 20-foot ceilings, so you have plenty of shelving, clothing rack, built-in dresser.
Plus space and shelves they have for a guy.
No, it's amazing.
We're gonna hang, and you can hang the clothes here.
Yes. And now
we're going to
Yes.
This is her.
This is her closet.
Look how big this is.
I mean, look. It just keeps going, guys.
Wow.
It just keeps going. And so now you could put a TV there easily. You could put a 55-inch TV. That's how big that area is.
And more drawers.
Those drawers. I mean, my goodness. And another full-length mirror.
And look how much space you have.
Yeah. I mean, bathrooms.
So they have the European style, right?
Yes, freestanding tub, very deep, very large, but look at that view, guys. I mean, just you enjoy your bath, relax. You can imagine with all the lights out, have a few candles going.
So this is double vanities, but we have a great lane. Yes. See this?
Separate dual vanities.
Yes.
Absolutely.
A lot of space, storage. Look at this.
Definitely.
The surprise ending.
Well, that's not even the surprise, but
and
for some people. So here we go, guys. Now this is one of the surprises here. This has
the walk-in shower.
A rainfall shower coming 20 feet down onto you. So we have not only one rainfall shower head, but two. But not only two rainfall shower heads, we have two more shower heads. That's 4, 5, and 6 shower heads.
Wow.
I mean, it's unbelievable. This is a wonderful master shower bathroom with tub. Unbelievable.
I love this.
I do too.
Can you imagine all the water?
Yes, you would feel like you're outside taking a shower in the rain. You would.
Yes.
It is a wonderful experience.
Ready for the surprise?
So now we have a couple surprises for you guys. I mean, typically, you know.
So you want to know where the toilet are, right?
Yes,
the toilets.
I'm wondering.
So here is my toilet.
Okay, her toilet.
This is her toilet.
Okay, with another closet. Okay.
We have this, toilet papers.
Yes. There we go.
Whatever I need to put down here.
Yes.
Feminine items.
Okay.
See that?
I like it.
Yes, now let's check his.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. What does he get? I can only imagine. Does he get a hole in the wall? Does he get a hole in the floor? What does he get? Does he actually get something?
He got something. This is his toilet.
Oh, this is his toilet. So nice.
He has something.
Yeah, he does. I mean, there's plenty of room,
Yes, see?
It's a good getaway, guys.
Bathroom with 2 toilets.
No, not in an apartment. No.
No, but it's good because
it's great.
I mean, just in case you're doing something, you need to do it.
And then you can both shut the door and talk to each other through the doors.
That's not the penthouse today.
Yeah, this is an amazing. Oh no, we have not shown them the best of the best. And to the right, over here, and you see Midtown, downtown coming to the left.
Yeah.
There's the downtown area. You can see exactly where we are. Allen Parkway, or right near the Heights as well. Now it wraps around here.
Oh, look at the football.
I mean, you guys can see these, yeah. So unbelievable, guys.
Oh, look, show them those runners, people.
So
look,
yeah, we've got the
around there.
biking, hiking trails with the bayou, as you can see. Unbelievable. Guys, you've got to come check this out for yourself. I mean, we're literally 5 minutes away from downtown.
Yes.
Biking. There is another Hanover property coming up as well. You can see the parking garage below us, but you can't beat these views. And again, looking back towards the area, every room has its own door out to the balcony. Thanks for sticking with us. Hey, if this is something that you want to eventually to move into one day, and so we hope you enjoy this, please comment and like on it. Again, like we always say, if there's an area that you want to look at, that you're looking to move into in a different part of Houston, please comment below and let us know that. Let us know what you like best about this penthouse.
Yeah.
You know, what that was about. So we really appreciate it. You have anything else to add?
Want to move into a place, please contact me. I can get the special rates with the apartment management.
Absolutely. Vienna does a great job making it a streamlined, easy process. Thanks again, guys, for joining us.